In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Edge. Microsoft Edge is Microsoft's modern, fast, and secure browser, and getting it on your Windows PC only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through the standard download method first, then show you a quick alternative using the Microsoft Store. Follow along and pause whenever you need. Start by opening any web browser you already have on your computer. Chrome, Firefox, an older version of Edge, or even Internet Explorer will work. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection, since the installer may download additional files during setup. Next, head to the official Microsoft Edge download page. The easiest way is to search for Download Microsoft Edge and select the result from Microsoft's official website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Microsoft logo, a secure connection, and a prominent download section for Edge. On the download page, choose Download for Windows. This button matches the version of Windows your device is running. When your browser asks where to save the file, pick a location you can find easily, such as your Downloads folder. If your download starts automatically, just let it complete before moving on. Once the file has finished downloading, open it to start the installer. Accept the license terms when prompted so the setup can continue. You may see a user account control pop-up asking if you want to allow changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. The installer will connect to Microsoft's servers, fetch the latest components, and then install Edge. Keep the installer window open until it finishes. When it's done, Edge will launch automatically, or place a shortcut on your desktop and Start menu, so you can open it anytime. If you prefer using the Microsoft Store, there's an alternative. Open the Microsoft Store app on your PC, use the search bar to look for Microsoft Edge, and select the listing from Microsoft. Click Install, and Windows will handle the download and installation in the background. This method keeps Edge updated through the store alongside your other apps. That's it. With Edge installed, you're ready to browse. If something doesn't download, check your internet connection, temporarily pause any aggressive security software, and try again. Enjoy your new browser, and feel free to replay sections of this video as you follow the steps. If you run into permission issues, try running the installer as an administrator.